My order just came today from Timo. Now let's go unboxing all this. We have for the school ID. This is for the school ID. Yan, para sa anak ko yan. This is for my daughter. Her school ID. Cute. Cute. And the other one is this tank top for my daughter. This is for my daughter. Tank top. Yes. Yan, tank top niya yan. That's for my daughter. This is for my daughter. I think five tank top. And that's my tank top. This is for myself. Of course, for myself. Tank top. It's also tank top. This is tank top. Yeah, sure, tank top. With a padding, you don't need to wear bra. Yeah, just wear like that with no bra. I love it. This is what I want. Tank top. So I don't need to wear bra. Charot. Yeah. Yun lang po. So, thanks for watching, mga kalalabs. Bye-bye. Thank you.